Tucked deep within the forests of Brok, Poland, this small but striking home immediately stands out, not by blending in, but by confidently embracing its identity. Wrapped in a bold strawberry red exterior, the house feels like a deliberate contrast against the surrounding greenery, and yet, somehow it doesn't feel out of place. Instead, it feels rooted, like it belongs to the story of the land. This project, designed as a year-round retreat for a family, reimagines what a rural home can be. Rather than replicating traditional countryside architecture, it interprets it. The form of the house actually follows the footprint of a previous structure that once stood on the site, creating a subtle continuity between past and present. Despite its traditional references, the home is far from nostalgic. Modern systems like app-controlled heating and a fireplace ensure year-round comfort, while the minimalist form, complete with hidden gutters and a unified color palette, keeps the architecture firmly in the present. At just around 95 square meters, the home is relatively compact. But what makes it feel expansive is the way the design begins from the inside out. The layout, the placement of each room, and especially the positioning of windows were all carefully considered first, long before the exterior expression was finalized. And that decision becomes clear the moment you step inside. Every window frames a different view of the surrounding forest, almost like a series of living paintings. No two openings are the same, and each one captures a unique slice of nature, constantly changing with the light and the seasons. The ground floor is organized in a straightforward yet highly functional way. 2 bedrooms, a bathroom, and an open-plan living space combine the kitchen, dining, and lounge areas into one continuous flow. The bathroom is finished in a warm terracotta tone, subtly echoing the red exterior, creating a visual connection between inside and out. Material-wise, the house leans heavily into wood, both structurally and visually. The interior is lined with light pine, giving the space a warm, almost cabin-like atmosphere. This is balanced with a curated mix of vintage furniture and contemporary pieces, creating a layered interior that feels personal rather than staged. Above, a mezzanine level adds flexibility to the home. Instead of traditional bedrooms, it offers an open sleeping area designed to accommodate multiple guests. Accessed by a set of sculptural duck stairs made from stacked red cubes, the staircase itself becomes both a functional element and a design feature, doubling as storage and shelving along the way. What's especially interesting is how every part of the home is designed to do more than one job. In the bedrooms, raised platforms create subtle zoning, while the steps leading up to them double as casual seating in the living area. It's a smart response to limited space, where nothing is wasted and every detail serves a purpose. And just outside, the experience continues. A matching red sauna and a simple pergola extend the living space into the landscape, reinforcing the idea that this house isn't just placed in nature, it actively engages with it. In the end, what makes this project stand out isn't just its color or its form, but how it quietly balances memory, function, and environment into something that feels both new and familiar at the same time.